today. Asher is going bowling in the park with his new Paw Patrol bowling set. Are you ready to cheer up Asher for a win?
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woohoo! Welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures. And today we're doing bowling. And we're doing bowling in a very special way all around the park. And we're gonna slide the bowling balls down the slide. And Asher is gonna try to hit all the pieces. Are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's go.
First, we need to go up the stairs. And
All right, you ready?
yeah,
All right, let's try the first one.
instant replay.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, great. You got 4 pieces. You think you can get the other 2?
Instant replay.
Yeah! We got a perfect score. He got all the pieces with 2 chances. Yeah! You ready to go to the next slide?
Yeah, the round 2.
Round 2, we're going to a bigger slide. Whoa, so now we got a bigger slide to try to hit the pieces. Look at that.
2.
We have such a big piece of a slide now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Instant replay.
Ooh, almost perfect.
I knocked 5.
You got 4.
Oh my god.
All right, let's try the second one. Let's see.
Instant replay.
Ooh, Marshall is still standing.
Uncle,
Look at that. We got those,
can you give me that?
and Marshall is still standing. Yeah. Whoa, let's see if you can get Marshall. This is gonna be tough. Ooh. Ooh, this is gonna be tough. Oh my God, this is so hard. Let's try it out, let's see. Yeah! We got Marshall. Whoa, that was a tough shot. But
And
now
I
you
can
have all of them. Now we're going to the big slides. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're trying it one more time. Now we're doing it from this angle. Are you ready?
Yeah. Instant replay.
Ooh,
We
we got 2 standing. You got 4.
only
Let's do one more. Let's do next shot. Ooh, let's try one more time. All right, are you ready?
yeah.
All right, let's try this. We got 2 more to hit. Let's try it.
Okay, where to go?
Oh, we missed it. Let's try it one more time.
Instant replay.
Yeah, we got 1. We still got 1 more.
We
We got
still
1 more. All right, 1 more to hit. Let's try it. Let's go. Oh, almost. Let's try the next one. Yeah! Let's go to the last.
you can do it around 42, right?
Yeah, round 4. We got the ultimate slide. Look how big that thing is. Let's go. Whoa, look at this big slide. Let's see. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Ooh, We missed it. Try the next one. Ooh. Ooh, look at the big slide. Are you ready? All right, let's see.
Instant replay.
Ooh, we got 4. We got 4. Let's see, try the second one. Let's see if we get lucky. Ooh, we still got 2 standing. Let's try it. All right, let's try it one more time.
Instant
Ooh,
replay.
yeah! Celebrate! Yeah! We got the big slide and we finished round number 4. Are you happy?
Subscribe to my channel. Bye. Want more fun videos?
Subscribe to Asher channel for more.